In this video, we are going to see and resolve the problem that if your wireless display is either not working or it's not compatible or it's showing some kind of error, here's what you can do. So first of all, the display problems. Many times the display problems might be eliminated if you restart or update your Windows, or otherwise just try restarting it once. So hopefully that should solve the problem. But if it doesn't, just open up the start menu in right here, device manager. And once you have this open, just make sure you click on that and just click on this display adapters, whatever is your display adapters showing right here. Just right click on that and click on update drivers. Click on browse my computer for drivers, and after that just click on the let me pick from available drivers list, and hopefully it should solve you a complete list of whatever drivers are suitable. But if you want to see an extensive list, if you believe that it's not recommending the right one, just uncheck those and you will see a couple of more solutions. And after that we select next. It might flicker a little bit because it's updating and installing the latest driver for the display. And after that it will show you the successful completion message. Close out of here. And after that just open up the start menu, just go to the control panel, and once we are in the control panel, just make sure on the right hand side we are not viewed by category, but instead we view it by large icons. In the bottom we have Windows Defender Firewall. Just go ahead on click on that, and after that on our left we can see a couple of options. We will click on this option, allow an app or feature through firewall, Windows Defender Firewall, and we click on different details. If you want to change any of these settings, you will notice that we won't be able to click uncheck or check on that one, because we want to click on change settings, and after that we might edit that. Now go down here and just enable all of this in Windows, which says private networks. Just enable all of them, and also just be careful that you tick this only for Windows and wireless display. So if you have wireless display, just make sure that you enable this for private and public. And once that is done, you can just close out of here. Actually not close, you can just go in here again. We just select all of that options. Whatever changes you make, just make sure to click OK from the bottom. Otherwise the changes might not be saved, and just close out of here. After that just restart your computer once again, and hopefully that should solve your problem. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.